Okay, my stress coping kits. We have music, gym, outdoors. We got some family, friends, and like my dog. The first one is AirPods and Spotify. I love listening to music all the time. Like, I'll listen when I'm walking, when I'm working out, when I'm cleaning, shower time. Yes, it's a good escape from reality and just like, use your imagination for the songs that you listen to. It's a good and bad distraction because um a bad distraction is if I'm doing homework and I have music that I love listening to that can distract me in a way that I'm not going to get my work done. And then a good distraction is when I do work, I'll sometimes put on like classical music or like today's instrumental hits. I currently was listening to Suicide Boys, which was um that was what I was doing to work on this project, and then it just improves my mood and it makes me take a breather. My next one is my dog Zeus. Love him to death. Sometimes he does get on my nerves, but with these pictures, I can't because he's just such a cutie patooties. But anyways, he does help me be calm and collective, especially if I'm like very emotional. Like if I'm crying, he's there. He's there. He's there to help me out. He loves playing with his laser. He's like a cat. So whenever I play with him, it's so funny. It's so cute too. But yes, that's my second one. My third one is the gym. Can't see it because there. The gym right there. I love going to gym. AirPods come with me. I listen to music when I'm working out, when I'm doing abs. I honestly like my favorite go to exercise is the Stairmaster. The Stairmaster helps me so much. It does release built up tension when I'm like, oh, I'm so angry. I just need to go clear my head out. So I will go work out. It does help me become a stronger person physically and emotionally, mentally as well. And yes, I do listen to music when I work out. My third one is nature. I love going on walks. I actually take my dog for a walk like every single day, usually. I just like being outside. I don't like camping, but I love being outside. I love taking my walks. It's another thing. I'll listen to music when I'm walking. I'll also like I'm a visual learner, so I'll look at things and be like, oh, that's new, or like this was replaced. Like I love doing that. I also love looking at like flowers and stuff. It does help me handle my stress by like just ignoring life again. That's where the music comes in. My last one is family and friends. Love talking to the people that I hang out with the most. I also hang out with my boyfriend and his family actually. Um my family to the left, that's my family, and then next to it is my friends. We were actually celebrating one of my friend's birthday during that time. And then down below that is my other friend who just came into town yesterday. So I got to spend the night with her, and then next to her is my boyfriend, which that was taken at one of his cousin's wedding because I was like, I just want a cute little picture. But yes, they help me by giving me advice. I help them by giving them advice. It's a win-win situation. Sometimes I do not listen to their advice, but it is what it is. And then overall, I cope best when I have a mix of comfort, distraction, and support. Hence, music, my dog, family, and friends, and nature. Like it's just all three of those are a good combination. Um, That's currently my dog in the background snoring. I don't know if he's snoring or if he's like fighting someone in his dream. Um, and then overall, it just helps me see that having several healthy, because all mine are like healthy base. Like I'm very like active, healthy there. It helps me feel more prepared, more better, physically, emotionally, and just mindfulness. So yes, I love this. I love this activity because overall, like, I know I can't really like show it to you physically because my boyfriend is actually out of town and I don't get to see my friends that much because I'm working a lot, and but I need to get the money, so that's the reason. And then I'm just with my dog a lot, so yes, I can show it on a Google slide, but physically I cannot because everyone is everywhere and it's just really hard to do that. But overall, I will be using this. I actually currently still use it. I just didn't think about it until now of like how do I actually cope with my stress and like my anxiety because I do get anxiety. And these are some of the ways. I literally will put headphones in, go for a walk, steam off some energy and some like emotions, and then go have fun. So yes, that's my overall of what I like to do, and I love it.